surprised he's not run off yet. It's all right, buddy. I'll be back. Let me run out, and I will come back and feed you. You had the chance to come in earlier. Welcome back, y'all. I am on the way to the drag strip. And clutch is good. I threw a old smaller spare axle in the trunk. I'm not trying to do anything crazy tonight. I just want to get a good leave and maybe a PB. I don't know. I was fine until, I don't know, I guess right after I put the axle in the trunk. Now I got a knot in my stomach. It always happens when I haven't made a pass in a while, or even sometimes when I have. The first pass of the night's just always like that. So I'm just gonna get one out of the way and we'll see where we go from there. But I have the bottle too. I'm gonna spray it. Keep you posted. Randy, you got lucky. I wasn't able to make it to the last list trip.
You got lucky.
Yeah, Randy would have. Well, we never know. We never know. I can't say it. Can't say for sure.
We only know till after we know.
All right, so Jason, if you're watching, I'm sorry, but since Jason never responds to my text, I asked ChatGPT some advice on how I should set up my two-step. So I might throw a couple screenshots on the screen, but yeah, I basically just asked it what RPM was safe, like the lowest I could go, and then I talked to Randy, and a couple people basically said 1,000 RPM above idle was safe with what they do, but I'm gonna try and lower the RPM till we can make just 1 pound and see how that works. Alrighty, we are currently at 4,000, so let's drop it down. That'll be a lot easier if I do this. Let's try 3750 and see what that does. That's not bad. That didn't take much. I mean, was it just that easy? 1.1 pounds. I'm gonna stand on it for a minute. Let's see. It's not bad. Let's try 3,500. I just want to see, or let's see here. Let's try 3,600 and see if it makes exactly 1 pound. That's 1 pound exactly. That's not bad. Bad. All right, we're gonna go with that. So I forgot I had this set up for 1 second. I'm gonna do a 1.5 delay to bring the nitrous in right after the 60 foot because I don't want to be too aggressive with it. We're still pulling 2 degrees. We should be good there. And I'm gonna send this to the ECU, save it, and let's see what happens. All right, they're about to open the lanes, and I'm gonna make a pass real early because it's overcast and I can see things. So, I don't know what to expect. Fingers crossed. Hopefully, it just works. We'll see. shift though. I think the last time it was the Detroit locker, the springs are weak, I guess. It wasn't wanting to catch. I'm still a little hesitant. I don't know. We'll see though. Well, it wasn't a PB. But it wasn't bad. It was a decent lead. I don't know. Maybe I should get the nitrous. Maybe I should bring the nitrous on a little sooner. I don't know. I'll try to leave a little harder. We'll see. We'll see. All right. So here's our two-step. See, we should get on the button, and we're sitting about. It was about a pound, then I bumped into it. So I'm thinking when I bump the clutch, it's putting a little more load on it and it's going up a little bit, which I'm fine with 1.5 pounds. I was about to bump it up, but I'm gonna leave it exactly where it's at. And then you see the dip here when I let the clutch out and let off the button. That's when I start let the clutch out, let off the button. It dips, but our boost is coming up. That's the bottom of the dip, almost 5 pounds, and then it shoots up from there. And we made 18.5 first, 23, 24. What's up, buddy? There's the fast boy right there. What's going on, bro? Looking at a data log. Yeah, I left on two-step. It held together. I didn't run a PB though. I'm just seeing what boost I made. You know what I need to check to make sure if. Do what now? I did, yeah, and it's making a clunking noise still when I shift. It's in the Detroit locker though. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully it just stays locked. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I want to change it to 31 spline. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my axles and all that before I get to that point. All right, let's see. I need to make sure my nitrous is cut. So I got a 1.5 delay. Oh my God, it keeps trying to make me update. Fuck off. I got a 1.5 delay. Oh, okay. Good luck, bro. Got a 1.5 delay on here. So N2O is off until all the way through first gear. It's off, and it doesn't come on until halfway through second. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put a 1 second delay in there. So I'm not in the 60 foot until part of second gear. So I'm gonna bring that in a little bit sooner. Let's see, and then let's make sure it just stays on. Yeah, and it comes right back into it. So let's try 1.25 seconds, and then we'll go from there. Tires off is better than hooking and not blowing the tires off. Hooking too hard. All right, we're doing a 1 second delay. Executive decision was made. All right, let's get one more in. almighty. That definitely wasn't a PB, but fucking A, dude. That was a lot of wheel hop. I think I need to recalibrate some things. Maybe check some things out before we try that again. Holy fucking wheel hop. What was it? 68. That's not bad. Yeah, 169. That was a lower 60 foot. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I told them let me go before they prep because I feel like fresh prep's gonna make it worse. I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out. I might make one more pass tonight. Thanks. Oh no. It don't sound good already. Yeah, that clutch is not happy. Some nice cars here tonight. Look at that thing. That's a newer Hemi swap, looks like. And we got that guy right there. It's pretty dope. Well, we had a lot of wheel hop on that last pass. I haven't looked at a log or anything. I'm not changing nothing. Just gonna go out there and make another one and see how it does. That's shaking a lot. Ah, that's shaking. Fast, but time-wise, I don't feel like it was any faster, but I didn't feel bad. Felt pretty decent. I don't know why it's wheel hopping so bad, though. That's weird. Not 100% sure. What'd I get?
66.
Another one? Yeah. You gotta be kidding me. I've run 3 666s in a row.
3-6 Mafia.
Like what? Okay, technically it's a PB because the first two were 6669. This is at least 6662. The car's cursed, man. Like, come on. Why? I just said it when I was sitting over there in the pits. I was like, if I run another 666 in a row, this car's cursed. And it just, I don't know, man. I don't know. I appreciate it. I mean, I'm happy. I guess it's still technically a PB, but God almighty. We'll see you later, bro. Good day at the track, I guess. I ran another PB. It wasn't the PB I wanted. Just want to go faster than a 666. That's the third in a row, but it is what it is. I literally said if I run one more, the car's cursed. But I don't know, what can you do? So I'm gonna I got some people through some people sent me some clips, but I think I only got video from the last pass, so I'll have to see what all I got. But I'm gonna throw some stuff together and we'll make a video out of it. So as always, oh, there's another Miata. I was told that that's a chick and she ran at the track earlier. I'm pretty sure that's the same one from the hardtop. But anyways, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.